Good morning, student. Today we will revise our remaining activities, which is on page number 24. It is related to chapter 2, that is patterns in weather. Now, student, on page number 24, one pap is here. It is not a pap actually, students. 2.9 activity is here. Solve this riddle. रिडल सॉल्व करना है आपको. I am air and I am always moving. Who am I? Clear to all? This is riddle. It is very interesting. Solve the riddle. I am air and I am always moving. Who am I? So answer is wind. Answer is wind. W-I-N-D. Answer is wind. Okay, students. Move on next page. Page number 26. And now the given table shows some details of Chennai and Bengaluru. Study the table and answer the questions that follow. It is PAP 2.10. Clear? The given table shows some details of Chennai and Bengaluru. Study the table and answer the questions that follow. So, first we all read this table. Factors Chennai and Bengaluru. Factors are latitude, altitude and distance from the sea. These are the factors. And now Chennai 13 degree north, 6.7 degree am and coastal, while Bengaluru 12 degree north, 920 meter and land locked. Okay, and now then first question here is, in which heat zone do these places fall? What is the question here? In which heat zone do these places fall? So students, Chennai is heat zone. It is in torrid zone. Chennai in torrid zone. And Bengaluru also in torrid zone. Okay students, Chennai and Bengaluru both are in torrid zone. Now then students, next page number 27, question number 2. Both places fall approximately on the same latitudes. Both places, it means Chennai and Bengaluru. Both places fall approximately on the same latitudes. दोनों places same latitude पर हैं, but they have different climatic condition. लेकिन दोनों की जो climatic condition है वो अलग है. बेंगलुरु की क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, उसकी जलवायु जो है वो बिल्कुल अलग है, एंड चेन्नई की जो है जलवायु बिल्कुल अलग है. जलवायु फॉर व्हाट? इट इज क्लाइमेट. तो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन जो है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. तो क्वेश्चन इज हियर, बोथ प्लेसेस फॉल अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ऑन द सेम लैटिट्यूड बट दे हैव डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस. व्हाई? सो स्टूडेंट्स, आंसर इज, इट इज बिकॉज वन इज एट अ हायर एल्टीट्यूड देन द अदर. दोनों की क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन अलग क्यों है, डिफरेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि एक हायर एल्टीट्यूड पर है और दूसरा हायर एल्टीट्यूड पर नहीं है. दिस इज द रीजन फॉर डिफरेंट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. व्हाट इज द आंसर हियर? इट इज बिकॉज वन इज एट अ हायर एल्टीट्यूड देन द अदर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हियर, which city has higher humidity? Why? Higher humidity, नमी, सीलन, कौन सी सिटी में ज़्यादा है? Why? Which city has higher humidity? Why? तो चेन्नई has higher humidity because it lies closer to the sea. ह्यूमिडिटी कहाँ होती है? जो समुद्र के किनारे होते हैं, कोस्टल एरियाज होते हैं, ह्यूमिडिटी वहाँ पर ज़्यादा होती है. सो Our answer is Chennai has higher humidity because it lies closer to the sea. क्योंकि ये समुद्र के किनारे है तो यहाँ पर higher humidity है. Where? Chennai. Okay, student. Now then, fourth. Explain some of the factors that affect the climate of a place. Explain some of the factors. Factors बताने हैं जो इफेक्ट करते हैं climate. तो explain some of the factors that affect the climate of a place. So student, first altitude of a place, because altitude increase the climate. So first is altitude of a place. As the altitude increase, it gets colder. Now second, latitude of place. Places on different heat zones experience different climatic condition. Third, direction of the wind. Sea breeze influences the climate of a place. Fourth, distance from the sea. Places closer to the sea are more humid. So student, explain some of the factors. The factors are altitude of a place, second latitude of place, third direction of the wind, and fourth is distance from the sea. Clear to all? Okay. Now then move on next page. Page number 28. Complete the mind map. Okay student? Complete the mind map. Weather and climate. Weather is and climate is. So write the definition here. Weather is the state of atmosphere in a particular, where we are here. Weather is the state of atmosphere in a particular place at a particular time. While climate is the weather conditions of an area prevailing over a long period of time. Weather is the state of atmosphere in a particular place at a particular time. Climate is the weather condition of an area prevailing over a long period of time. Now elements of weather. Elements of weather are temperature, humidity, precipitation. Factors affecting climate: altitude, direction of wind, distance from the sea, latitude of a place. Got it everyone? Now weather and climate. In first we write the definition of weather and we write the definition of climate. After that, elements of weather, temperature, humidity, precipitation are elements of weather. And now then factors affecting climate: altitude, direction of wind, distance from the sea, latitude of a place. These are the factors affecting climates. Okay student, now then we are go on next page. Now this is question time. First question here is dash season weather is defined as a state of atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time. What is the question here? Dash is defined as a state of atmosphere of a particular place at a particular time. So students, answer here is weather. Second, temperature is measured in dash Celsius percentage. Temperature always measured in Celsius. So our answer is here Celsius. In first weather, in second Celsius. The height of the ground above sea level. The height of the ground above sea level is called altitude. What is the answer here? Altitude. Now then fourth, hot wind dash increase decrease the temperature of a place. Hot wind student, hot wind increase. हॉट विंड क्या करती है? इंक्रीज करती है टेम्परेचर को, और कोल्ड विंड जो होती है वो डिक्रीज करती है. सो आंसर हियर आर increase. Now fifth question here, as the altitude increase it gets dash colder, warmer. Altitude increase, so answer here is colder. Altitude increase होता है तो क्या होता है, colder होता है. Then sixth question है, onshore wind is also known as, onshore winds को क्या कहा जाता है, sea breeze. Sea breeze. Humidity is more when you are dash closer to, further away from the sea. Humidity is more when you are closer to. Answer is closer to. Then 8 dash temperature. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. What? Humidity. Answer is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Now then, ninth question are, rain and snow are different forms of dash humidity and precipitation. Rain and snow, what is this? These are precipitation. Our answer is precipitation. Now then, 10 temperature decrease as we move away from the dash. टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज होता है जब हम कहाँ से मूव अवे होते हैं, इक्वेटर. मूव अवे फ्रॉम द इक्वेटर, सो आवर आंसर इज इक्वेटर. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ फिल इन द ब्लैंक. फर्स्ट वेदर, सेकंड सेल्सियस, थर्ड एल्टीट्यूड, फोर्थ इंक्रीज, फिफ्थ कोल्डर, सिक्स सी ब्रीज, सेवन क्लोजर टू, 8 humidity, 9 precipitation, and 10 equator. Got it everyone? Now fill your blanks. Now then student, we are on page number 30 here. State whether the following are true or false. Okay, mention here true or false. Now then our first question here, Delhi is located in the torrid zone. Delhi located है torrid zone में, this false. Second, altitude affect the climate of a place, it is true. Third, humidity is a degree of warmth or coldness of air. Humidity is a degree of warmth or coolness of air. False. Places closer to the sea are humid. Places closer to the sea are humid. True. So student, first false, second true, third false, fourth true. First false, second true, third false, and fourth true. Then answer the following question briefly. Now first is explain the elements of weather. Here write the elements of the weather. Okay. Now then second, how does distance from the sea affect the climate of a place? How does distance from the sea affect the climate of a place? ओके, फर्स्ट में एलिमेंट्स बताने हैं वेदर के, देन सेकंड में हाउ डज, कैसे डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सी इफेक्ट द क्लाइमेट, जो समुद्र से जो दूरी है, सी से जो दूरी है, वो कैसे इफेक्ट करता है क्लाइमेट को. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन डिटेल. डिस्कस द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड ऑन द क्लाइमेट ऑफ अ प्लेस. डिस्कस करना है डायरेक्शन ऑफ विंड को, कि कैसे इन्फ्लुएंस करती है विंड क्लाइमेट पर, कैसे प्रभाव डालती है अपना क्लाइमेट, कैसे क्लाइमेट को वो चेंज करती है. विंड क्लाइमेट को कैसे चेंज करती है, हमें ये बताना है. नाउ देन सेकंड क्वेश्चन हियर इज, हाउ आर लैटिट्यूड एंड क्लाइमेट ऑफ अ प्लेस रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. कैसे लैटिट्यूड और क्लाइमेट ऑफ अ प्लेस जो हैं एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड हैं, एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं. विच वन? लैटिट्यूड एंड क्लाइमेट ऑफ अ प्लेस. कैसे एक दूसरे के रिलेटेड है। ओके स्टूडेंट, सो आर सेकंड चैप्टर इज फिनिश। Learn book activities, question answer and true false student. Okay, now thank you so much for listening me. Thank you so much student.